Hey everyone, and welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. If you are new to my YouTube channel, you are welcome, but please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It is free. So guys, I am here today with another simple recipe. I will be showing you how I make my honey garlic butter salmon. This salmon is packed with flavors and it is great with any side of your choice. Stay with me and let's get started. For this recipe, I will be using the following ingredients. I have some salmon, light soy sauce, honey, Dijon mustard, fish seasoning, black pepper, smoked paprika, onion granules, slices of lemon, minced garlic, and melted butter. I will list everything in the description below. I'm now going to season the salmon using onion granules, smoked paprika, black pepper, and fish seasoning. I will then mix everything together to ensure that the salmon is well coated in the seasoning. I will set this aside for later use. Now time to make the garlic butter marinade, which I will pour over the salmon before baking. In a bowl, I'm going to mix light soy sauce, Dijon mustard, melted butter, minced garlic, and honey. I will mix everything together and I'll set this aside for later use. I am now placing the lemon slices in my oven-proof baking dish. Next, I will place the salmon on top of the lemon slices. I am now going to pour the mixture on top of the salmon. I will then place the salmon in the oven and bake it at 170 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes and the salmon will be ready. And the honey garlic butter salmon is ready, guys. It is simple, it is delicious, and it is healthy. It's great with any side of your choice. I'm going to garnish it using lemon slices and fresh parsley. Guys, thank you, as always, for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below if you have any questions, subscribe to this channel, and tell your friend to tell a friend. And I'll see you next time. Bye.